Hello student. Now today we revise the short questions of chapter number 3 to 6. Okay. In that some fill in the blanks are there. We revise that one. Look. A simple closed curve made up of only line segments is called polygon. Closed figure made by line segment is called polygon. Okay. The parallelogram has dash diagonals. Parallelogram means that is quadrilateral, and in that how many diagonals are there? 2. That is 2. Okay. The sum of measure of 4 angle of convex quadrilateral is, we know that is 360. Okay. Formula to find number of diagonals of a n-side polygon is, what is the formula? Formula is n into bracket n minus 1 divided by 2 minus n. Okay. One more time, I just write down at the back side here. Look, that is n into bracket n minus 1 divided by 2 minus n, and n means number of sides. Okay, that is the formula to find out total how many diagonals are there. Same fifth one, the formula to find the sum of all the interior angles of n side. Sum of interior angles equal to, that is the formula to find out sum of interior angle, n minus 2 into 180. That is the formula to find out sum of interior angles, means inner side. Okay, and here n, same here, n equal to number of sides. Okay, next one, the measure of each exterior angle of a 10-sided regular polygon. 10-sided regular polygon. Just find out exterior angle. There is no formula to find out exterior angle, but here we are having formula to find out measure of interior angle. Okay, and that is regular polygon with 10 side, means n equal to 10. We put the value of 10 here. So 10 minus 2 into 180. Okay, that is 8 into 180. That is formula to find out sum of all interior angle, but here interior angle and all angles, they are, that is regular, so all angles are having same measurement. Total 10 angles are there, divided by 10, it's 0. So 18 into 8 equal to, 18 is 144. Okay, and interior angle equal to, we don't know that sum total of both is 180, so interior equal to 180 minus 40, 144 equal to, that is 6 and 3, 36. So that is 36. Okay, so answer is 30. Not here, it's 36. Here n minus 2 into 180. Okay, next look, ABCD is rectangle. If AC is 2x plus 5 and BD equal to 15, then x equal to, that is rectangle. Okay, like that, A, B, C, D. AC and BD are given, means both diagonals are given. Okay, here AC equal to, that is 2x plus 5, and BD equal to, that is 15. Okay, now we know that in a rectangle both diagonals are equal in measurement, means AC and BD are equal. So 2x plus 5 equal to 15. Change the side of this one, 2x equal to 15 minus 5, that is 10. So x equal to 10 and 2x multiply, divided by 2, that is 5, means x equal to 5. So value of x is 5. Here x equal to 5. Measure of interior angle of quadrilateral is 70. Then the measure of its exterior, we know that interior plus exterior 180. Okay, so 180 minus 70 equal to 110 degree. that is 110. The data which represented by dividing a circle into sector is known as, okay, that means data divided into some sectors and represent with circle, that is called pie chart. That is pie chart. Okay, sum of all the center angle of circle, that is 360, because one circle means one revolution, that is 360. If a coin is tossed, chance to getting head or tail, okay, head and tail means two options are there, both are one time, so that is 1/2 for both one, okay, that is equal. Okay, dash is gives the number of times that a particular entry occurred, means all entry, how many times all entries are there, that is given, means it's called frequency. Okay, that is called frequency. And even that certain to happen has a probability is, certain to happen means 100% sure, that is 1. Okay, the probability to get T from tit for tat. Okay, probability means at numerator you just write down how many times T is there, and denominator total how many characters are there. Okay, T is 1 2 3 4 times, means 4, divided by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so 9 is there, so probability is 4/9. Okay, a dash graph shows the relationship between a whole and its part. Which graph is shown? That is circle graph. Okay, circle graph is shows that one. Here 16. When a die is thrown, dash is the probability to get even prime number. Okay, on that die total 6 numbers are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6. In that how many prime numbers are there? We know that regular obviously only one even prime number is there, that is 2, and 2 is only one time, and total how many numbers are there? 6. So probability is 1/6. Clear? Dash is the symbol to denote square root, that is this one. Okay, square of 12 means 12 into 12, that is 144. Okay, this one is square root of 49, so just write down whose square is 49, 7 square, and square root cancel, that is 7. Answer is 7. A number has 1 in the unit place, then the square end with 1, so end with same number 1. 1 square 1, 11 square 121, 21 square 441. Okay, that is 1. Square of 79 has dash at unit place. Okay, that time what to do? Just find out square of unit. 9 square is 81. Which number is there? 1. So here answer is 1. Okay, dash is the least number by which 8 must multiply to get perfect square. Perfect square means in which all numbers comes in a pair. Okay, now 8 is there, factorize 8, we know that 2 into 2 into 2, now make pair 2 times. Here 2 is only one time and we need 2 times, so what to do? Multiply with 2, same here multiply with 2. So which one the least number? That is 2 to get perfect square number, that is 2. Here answer is 2. Dash is the least number by which 18 must be divided to get. Here division is there, same here, factorize 18, factors of 18, that is 2 into 3 into 3, 3 is a 9, 2 is a 18. Now we need all numbers 2 times. Here 2 times, 2 is only one time, 3 is 2 times. Okay, to divide that one, what to do? You just divide with same number, it's cut, that means division is 2. Okay, so by divide with 2 to get perfect square number. Sum of the first 10 odd number, natural number. Okay, 10 odd natural numbers. So what to do? Just write down 10 odd natural numbers. They are 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus tick tick tick. Okay, and answer of that one is dash square. And here dash means how many time, means how many odd number is there, and here addition of first 10. So answer is 10 square, and 10 square is 100. Okay, so your answer is 100. That is 100. And square of 3. Square of square means 2 times. So first the square of 3 is 3 square 9, and square of that one is 9 square 81. Square of square means 3 square whole square. Square of square, 3 square is 9, and 9 square, that is 81. So your answer is 81. Okay, so all of you write down all these fill in the blanks in your notebook and revise that one 2 or 3 times. Okay, thank you.